Good morning. Today I would be talking about the Quad. Quad, also known as Quadrilateral Security Dialogue, at present day contains four members: India, USA, Japan, and Australia. The idea of forming a Quad was given by Japanese President Shinzo Abe in 2007. The aims of Quad include the economic and military cooperation among its members, balancing China's hegemony in the South China Sea and Indo-Pacific Ocean. Moreover, it aims to smoothen the trade in the Indo-Pacific region. Now, India and Quad have had been dormant for nearly a decade before 2017. Quad is very beneficial for India. It can help India to get a permanent United Nations Security Council seat. Moreover, it can help India to upgrade its defense technology. It gives India a chance to play the role of a leader in the post-pandemic world. It also helps India's Act East policy. Moreover, in the vaccine chain initiative of Quad, India would act as a manufacturer of vaccine. But with the benefits, there comes challenges too. The challenges ahead of Quad are: Quad is not clear in its intentions for the rest of the world. Moreover, China's great concerns for Quad include obstruction in its BRI project, obstruction in the naval expansions of China in the Indo-Pacific region, moreover, disrespecting the China's 9-line in the South China Sea. The Quad also hurts the India's non-alignment policy in military alliance. So, as an individual, I suggest that first of all, Quad should clear its intentions, whether it is anti-China or it is just an alliance between countries for economic and military cooperations. Secondly, it should tackle the border disputes with China on table rather than tackling it in the war fields. At last, I want to say that Quad should organize its meeting more frequently, because we have seen that Quad had become dormant for nearly a decade before 2017. So it is important to hold regular meetings to have an impact of Quad on the world. With this, I want to end up my thoughts. Thank you and have a nice day.